Welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. Today we're going to tackle a random game, and I will do my best to explain what I'm thinking and try to help you get better. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, I like to go for the columns, or at least a significant percentage of the time, columns first, and try not to deviate. I don't think we'll be deviating here much. You never know, there could be, but most of the time that's the way I go. Alright, we're out of moves. Let's go to the draw pile. And no moves there. There's a move. However, I don't want to fall into the trap of playing this right away. We're going to hold on to this for later. So just remember, the second part of the draw pile has a card. There's a move there. We're going to hold on to it as well. Same here. We will play something out of the bag, probably. We'll play the 6 right here. And the thing to watch out for after you play a 6 like this is there's a 4. If we find a black 5, we can put the 4 over here. Just something to keep in mind. Oh, there we have it, a black 5. Wow, what a coincidence. Okay, got it right there. And now we get the ace of diamonds up. This is a spot that's a little bit tricky. I know we want to bring kings over here. I also know there's a lot of cards under here from this column, but it may or may not be the best move. We're going to try it and find out and use the undo feature if it doesn't work. That gives us a little wiggle room. One way we could take this 7. Another way we can see what's under this 7 right here. That's a 5, so that keeps us alive. Let's see what this gives us. That's a 9. That's actually enough to make us probably lean to playing this because it opens up this column again. This is one of the biggest columns, so we want to get cards out of there. And that's where we stand. I usually don't like to move these kings if it ends the pile, though, or if it doesn't open up another column. However, this time we might make an exception. Again, we'll see what we have going through here again. This 4 is a little bit of a 3 is a little bit of a trappy card. I almost don't even want to play it. I think I'm not going to play it. We can get to this queen and 9 later. I'm going to hold on to this 3 for now until we find like an ace or something like that with a deuce. Okay, good news is we have this card right here we could play, but that's our new insurance card. We have a bunch of other insurance cards as well that we've kept. We're going to probably... I will play this one right here. And this is a tricky spot. Again, the reason I'm not going to play this ace is because I want to drop this ace down below and then eventually get to the 2 of spades. We are going to play this 9 right here. And we'll just scroll through and see what else they have. If there is anything, a 7 can go into the 8. Okay. And there's 2 7s out, so we don't have to worry about playing which one. There's the queen that we wanted earlier, and we'll put the jack underneath that. Alternatively, there is a red jack in the draw pile. However, if it's in the very back of the draw pile, it's not going to have a lot of value. Unless, of course, there was a black 10 out somewhere. So we're going to stay with this move for now. We can always move this blackjack later because there is a queen right here. We're going to move this 9, and we've got 2 choices of 8s. 8 of hearts or 8 of diamonds. I don't know which one is best, but we're going to find out. We're going to play them each and then use the undo feature and then see what we want. So that's a dead end. Let's try the other one. And that is not a dead end. Unfortunately, we don't know where it goes because we haven't played the 2 of diamonds yet. I think I'm going to go with that move for now and then maybe reevaluate later. Hopefully we'll get through here. Again, this 3 of spades I think can be played because there was an ace of spades, I believe, in here somewhere, right? Okay, going through again. And we're going to play a little faster this time. We're going to play the 6 of spades. It'll allow us to play this 5. And we get diamonds all around there. But I think we have a couple aces here, which should help us out. So we're going to play both aces this time. And I think that's all we can play there. Here we go, the 2 of hearts. We'll play that. We're going to play this. The reason I'm playing a bunch of cards here in this spot versus the front of the draw pile is every time the draw pile gets reset, every time you play a card out of here. And what that means is you want to save the early ones as insurance for later, so you can reset it when you need to and manipulate the cards a specific way so you can get that one card that needs to go somewhere. Just a thought anyway. Okay, let's go through again and see if we have any more moves. Oh, we have a move I missed. This 3 of hearts can go up top, which will open up the space for the 3 of diamonds to go over here. And that'll open up this column here again. This 3 of spades can go up. The 4 of spades will go up. That'll open up the column. And good news, 4 of hearts we can play. And yeah, we've got... This queen could go over yet. I think we'll do that right now. And then we're going to move this 5 over here as well. We're going to hold off on putting the 5 under the 6, depending on how many kings are out. So there's nothing there. Let's go through again. Again, we're saving this 2 diamonds as insurance. We will use it, but we want to make sure that we use it in a good spot where it has value. And it looks like this is going to be the spot where it has value. So ace of diamond or deuce of diamonds. Now we can play the 3 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds. And then we can also play spades, but I don't think we're going to get high enough to open up one of these columns, be it the 8 of hearts or the 10 of hearts. That's kind of what we're aiming to do here. And that's the long game. Short game is just moving these cards. And it looks like we need a 6 of hearts. So there's the 3 of clubs. I'm not going to play that here. There's an 8 we can't play. We could play the 6 if we get one more card through. So let's go through again. So there's a king we can play. There's another king we can play. The good news is this 6 is going to drop next time around, and we can play the other king. We can play this queen in the meantime, and we can play this jack. However, we want a blackjack, or we prefer a blackjack. We also need the 6 of hearts down below. So that's what we're looking for right now. I don't know if we have the 6 of hearts. 6 of clubs, yes. 6 of hearts, not so much. So we're going to play this 6 of clubs right there. We'll move this 5 over here. And we're going to see if we can work some magic here and open up one of these columns. I'll put the king down there. So we can't play a red queen, but we already have a red queen, so we need to get to this black jack here. And the question is, can we? So we're going to have to look through here and see if we can find any more moves. One option, I think... Let's see, we can put this 8 up here, but I don't see any other moves. Can't put the 10 of diamonds, can't put the 3 right now. So one option is to just look at your, when you're stuck like this, is to look at your foundation pile right here and say, what could we do different? And the answer is, well, you know, maybe instead of playing hearts, we could have played diamonds. So maybe we go back to where we had a decision point with this 5 of diamonds versus 5 of hearts, and we play the 5 of diamonds instead. So let's go back a little bit here. I'm going to use the undo feature. And okay, we're back far enough. I think the 5 of hearts would have to go up after we have a 6 of clubs, preferably, or 6 of spades, I believe. So let's go through again. 10, no, can't play it. We can play the king. Okay, I'm going to play this king right here. Next time around, this 6 should show up. We can play this queen in the meantime. Alright. We're going to play this. We're going to play on the back of the draw pile, and then we're going to go back to the original idea here. I just like to get rid of cards from the back of the draw pile first. That's habit. Okay. Here we have it. We have the 6. Now, instead of playing the 5 of diamonds over to here, we're going to take the 5 of hearts and play it right here. That'll allow us to move the 4 of clubs down. Okay. Now we need to make some moves. We're going to put the 5 of diamonds up here, the 6 of diamonds up here, and the 7 of diamonds up here. You may or may not see my intention, but in essence, it's to open up maybe 1 or 2 of these columns here, preferably the 8 of hearts, but maybe some other cards as well. What we're going to do here, if we look at the next card in line behind 7 of diamonds, is the 8 of diamonds, which is right here. We would like to have the 8 of diamonds up here and the 8 of hearts somewhere else. So what we're going to do is take a 7 of clubs, move it under the 8 of hearts. Then we'll take the 8 of diamonds and put it up top. Okay. Now we've cleared up an extra move. We can take this 8 of hearts over here and move it over and keep our fingers crossed that there's a good card underneath it. That's a 10. We can play it. Okay, that's not bad. There's a 6. We can technically play it right here. There's the jack. We can play that. And of course, there is a 5 of clubs, which we can play under the 6 of hearts right there. And the good news is we're going to have this, all the cards in the columns out. We'll just have to figure out the draw pile. So taking the 10 of hearts, moving it over here. And now we can play the clubs up to the foundation pile. And we'll probably play hearts as well. I will play clubs again. And I think we can play hearts again, right? It is possible we have to take some of these cards back later, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to move as many cards as we can. And then figure out the rest of this draw pile right here. This jack can go up top. This 10 of diamonds can go up. Let's see here. 10 of hearts can go up. We need an 8 of spades. We can put this diamond up and this queen. We'll take this 10 and 9. Okay. And it looks like these are the only 2 cards left. King goes down. 8 of spades goes there. And of course, we have solved it. That was a pretty good game. Anyway, that is going to wrap this up. I am signing out. I would like to thank you for watching. And of course, wish you good luck.